Hey everybody, it's me, Sissy. I'm back today with a Dollar Tree haul, but first I want to give a shout out to the great company Techwrap. I hope I'm saying that right. They sent me a great box of goodies for my crafting. They sent me a mat that will work with my Cricut. And they sent me all kind of beautiful vinyls. These are all craft vinyls. That you can use to decorate stuff with, all different colors, some great spring and summer colors, and a great little tool pouch here, and a little zipper bag. Oh wow, Bougie sent me a cute little crystal pen, needle pen here that you can use to weed with, so I'm going to be putting that to good use. A great little pair of tweezers, and as it comes in a little pouch I can keep it in, and a scraper to use to burnish it down. So in next upcoming videos you'll see me put some of this vinyl to good use. But I want to say thank you again. They're not sponsoring the video, they just sent me some of this vinyl to give a try to. But this Techwrap, and I'll put a link to it in the description box if you want to check them out. But once again, thank you for the goodies. I will put them to good use, and look for them in some upcoming videos. You can tell I'm in a different location, having a few problems with my knees, so standing is kind of hard for me right now, but I think this will work out. I hope the lighting's alright. It's kind of a little bit darker on this section, but anyway, let's jump right into my Dollar Tree haul. We're going to start with, I got two items from Dollar Tree Plus. These were $5, and they're nice gray fluffy pillows, and y'all might have seen in one of my previous videos I got a bedspread from a nice company called MovieZilla, and I'll put a link to them in the description. A lovely gray and dark, light gray and dark gray comforter and pillow shams and everything, and I've got some pillows to go on my bed, and I'm going to put some heat transfer vinyl on here, put a little splash of yellow on it, so y'all stay tuned, and I'll show you on the bed when I get it all made up, and I'll show you how I decorate the pillows. But I picked two of those up, and you can't beat that price, $5 for a decorator pillow. That was a good deal. Then I picked up a flower pot. It's just a regular little flower pot. I got some faux succulents, and I'm going to put them in this pot and put them around my house. And then I got these two beautiful little baskets. I think I'm going to make some decals with my Cricut, and these will be great for, you know, it's that time of year. It's graduations and baby showers and wedding showers and engagement parties and all that stuff. So I'll show you a video to show you how I'm going to cut a design out with my Cricut and put it on these, so stay tuned for that. And then I just have one or two other things over here in my bag. As usual, I got my dog waste bag, 60 for $1.25, so that's a good deal. And remember, always clean up your puppy's waste. I think I've hauled this. Yeah, I've hauled this one before. This is the Call Me LA Colors Plumpin' Lip Gloss. I don't know about the plumping, but it is really good lip gloss. I like it. It goes on easy, and it doesn't dry your lips out. And I know it's still spring. We got like 30-something days till summer, but around here, 2 days in a row, it was 97 degrees. So it's summer, as far as I'm concerned, is already here. So I picked up a pair of flip-flops, and I saw someone on YouTube said that you could sublimate on these. So I might give that a try. It might work, I don't know, but we'll try it, and I'll let you see whether it works or not. I've got a lot of sublimation videos coming up. And I picked up the Freeman Purifying Grapefruit 2-pack sheet mask. You know I love a good mask. I love that. And I picked up the Lady Speed Stick Body Wash. I think this is 14 ounces, Rose Delight. It smells really good. I picked that up. And I hadn't seen this before in Dollar Tree, but it's called Odor Ban. Eliminates odors, kills viruses and antibiotic resistant bacteria. Fabric and air freshener. This is original eucalyptus. I thought I would try that for some of my little puppy smells. You know, they get on, I have covers on my couch, and usually I wash it once a week, but sometimes they might have a little accident or a little, you know, something on it. So I'm going to try this on it, but it's 4 ounces. I've never heard of it before. I might have to look it up online and see what it says about it, but it's not a Greenbrier product. It says Clean Control. So anyway, we're going to try that out. And I picked up a cute little Yay It's Your Birthday box, but this is actually for DIY I got coming up. But these make great if you want to put a little present in there. They're great. They're so pretty. So that's a good deal. And I don't usually buy books at the Dollar Tree, but they had this nice one. Some of y'all know I have a shelf in my living room with Harry Potter stuff on it, and I thought this would be good to put on it. It's the Demon World. I don't know anything about it or what it's about, but it was U.S. price $18.99. But I thought that if I take this little dust cover off, which is pretty itself, but it kind of looks like a Hogwarts school book, so I got that to go on my shelf. And let's see, I picked up the Sure Scents Fresh Linen Automatic Spray Refill. Lasts for 45 days. Has a nice clean scent. So I'll pick that up. And I got some more of the Crafter Square. I got the permanent vinyl, the faux leather, and some more permanent vinyl. I got the little white silver glitter and the permanent vinyl, and then I got the blue leather. That's a great price, $1.25. You can't hardly beat that. Then I have 1 or 2 other craft things in here. I picked up this Crafter Square stencil with pretty flowers and an owl. So I thought that was really cute. And I picked up these basket bags. I thought these would be good if I make a little gift in these baskets here. I could put that over it, make it look a little more professional. And then I picked up these Fashion Gems. It comes with glue. Add some sparkle to your favorite accessory. I thought those were really cute. Glare, you can see it. There's cute. And I wish I could find some more of this. I haven't seen it since I found this one roll. It is says Floral Garden Metal Ribbon, 4.5 feet. I know they have some of it in Hobby Lobby, but it is really expensive in Hobby Lobby. I wish Dollar Tree would have some more of it, but I have a little project coming. I'm finally going to make a frame for my cow picture that's in all my other videos, and I thought this would be a pretty trim in the corner. So I would love another roll, but I think I could stretch that one to do the project with. And I got some of this just says White Ribbon Floral Garden, 1.5 inches wide by 9 feet, and it's pretty little polka dots. Pick that up. And I got a pair of reading glasses. Pretty little fashion ones with the pink on it. So you can't hardly beat that. And I did see they do now have the ones that are tinted reading glasses. So I'll probably grab a pair of those for the summer. And then I picked up the Hyaluronic Acid Bubble Face Mask Treatment. This is one of my favorite ones. You put it on and it kind of bubbles when it gets on your skin, and you can kind of feels a little tickly. It's really fun. And I got the Mermaid Face Mask by Be Pure. Now I haven't tried this one, this brand yet, but this says it's citrus scented. So I'm going to give that a try. I don't know why it's called, oh excuse me, why it's called a mermaid face mask, but we'll give it a try. And I picked up the Stylus Pen, the E-Circuit. It's an ink pen and a stylus all in one. So many things now are digital and you have to sign digitally, and I can't do it with my fingers, so I'll give that a try. And I picked up a new soap dish. I love their soap dishes, just a plain white soap dish for $1.25. And I got some Ajax Stronger Than Dirt Multi-Purpose Cleaner Orange Scent. So, and that's it, y'all. That is my Dollar Tree haul. Like I said, I've been having a few problems with my knees, so I hadn't really been getting around that much, but hopefully I'll be able to get some crafting videos done. I get somebody to get my little helper to help me so I don't have to get up and down so much. But anyway, remember, Sissy can do it. You can do it too, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.